Hello, welcome to another piano tutorials with Aaron. It's Christmas and we are going to learn a carol song. I wish you a Merry Christmas. I'm going to be playing in a key of F. So basically that's the song. I'll show you how I played that, but let's get into the chords for the song. It's a chord 1. From chord 1, this is the chord 1 in F, then chord 4, and then chord 5. Alright, so before I continue, I want you to know that this channel, anytime you click or like or share the link to the video, you will help me to get to a broader audience, and YouTube will promote my videos to a much bigger audience. So take some few minutes and then click on a like, and let me also know your comments, in the comment section below. Leave what you think about the tutorials and what you think I can do to help it grow. So from chord 5, there's a chord 3, that's the progression, chord 3, and then chord 6. So if I were to sing it, would be like this. I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's the chords. So this is a chord 1, as I said, to 4. This is 4, this is 4. It's an inversion that I played by the same 4. Then this 5. 4. And then from 5 you move to 3, chord 3, which is your A minor. And then you move to chord 6, D minor, and then G minor, chord 3 for key F, and then you move to chord 5, and then it ends. So it's a 1, 4, 5, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1. For the I wish you a Merry Christmas, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Then the second one, part 2, it's a 1, 7. Now the 7, you play the 7 on the left, and then you play 5 on the right, and then 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. So it's a descending progression. 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. So let me show you what I played from the beginning. So let me play it slowly. 1, 3, 6, 2, 5, then 1, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 5, 1. So alright, so thank you for watching, and God bless you for subscribing, and Merry Christmas.